Yes.
Yes, of course. Have a seat.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Dipali Sharma. My father name is Mr. Satish Chandra Vishwakarma. My mother name is Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma. I have two siblings, one elder sister and one younger brother. I live in house number 145, Diwan Bazar in front of Lakoti, Diwan Gorakhpur, UP. I am graduated from Deen Dayal Gorakhpur University and PG in St. Andrews College and B.Ed from CRD Girls College. Now I am doing my job in Saraswati Balika Vidyalaya, Surajpur, Gorakhpur as a TGT English.
So why are you want to left this school?
Do you want to join this school now?
I just want to join this school.
I'm saying why you are wanted to left your
Your
previous
previous job.
Previous school I have left just because of the lackness of salary, because there are some salary issue that is not enough for a PGT teacher, because I was teaching there as a PGT English, but I have got 10,000, so that is not enough for me.
Is money everything for you?
I want to ask
No
one
ma'am,
thing.
if we have a need, so money is something for us.
And if any other school will, after asking you, if any other school will give you more salary than you will live mid of the system.
No ma'am, in case right now I am not thinking about to left this job because I am just joining a very prestigious institute. But in case of if I have get any government job, so I will accept it.
Okay, so why did you choose to become an English teacher?
Actually, ma'am, in the beginning I was not want to become a teacher, but there are some situations. My 9th class teacher has told me that you have a very nice English, and in that time he told me that you have a potential to become a nice lecturer. It's your choice what you want to become. You want to become a housewife or a great English lecturer. So at that time I chose to become English teacher. I was not ready to do this B.Ed because I want to qualify my NET for English professor. But my father forced me that do this B.Ed. After the internship, during the internship, I have got an opportunity to pursue my job. So
Okay, ma'am.
from that I began.
as you saying I am not interested. And in my views, if you are not interested in any work, so you can do the job here as a teacher.
No ma'am.
Because you are not interested, everything is you are telling, you done by forcefully.
At that time
you
it was
100%.
forcefully, but when I started to do my job, then I love to do that because students have been interacted with me and they told me, ma'am, you are teaching us very well and it is very easy to understand for us. Then a little bit interest increased in my heart, and from that I doing my very
Okay,
well.
Dipali, how could you impress us within 3 months? How could you impress us?
By my work, ma'am, I will try my best because I do my job by heart. Because I don't want to show anyone that I am doing good. I am just doing my work and automatic people are appreciating me that you are doing very perfectly, very punctually.
Okay, ma'am. What is figure of speech?
Figure of speech which decorates the sentences, means which appreciate in a very reputed way.
Tell any two.
Simile, metaphor, personification.
What is the difference between simile and metaphor?
Simile shows the there is comparison words like, as, so much. But metaphor.
Okay, ma'am, listen. I am saying a sentence and tell me what figure of speech is used in this sentence. I like you. Is it simile? I have used like in this word sentence.
No ma'am, it's not a simile.
Then what is the difference between this sentence and simile? But what is according to you simile?
Simile is there that difference like comparison between two different objects.
Yes.
Okay, life is like a dream.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.